everyone. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Samreen.
Hello. How are you, everyone? Okay. So let's start with today basic things. Okay. Host has disabled the participant screen sharing.
1 minute.
I guess I can share. Yeah. Fine. Listen, everyone. Today we'll practice very basic thing. Okay. We do today this one. First, so we installed the soft. We downloaded that one and we added to the project. That part setup is done. Correct. So now today, what is web element? Second, how to find the target web element. Third, how to do action on targeted web element. We will practice this only. Okay. So web element means web page component. Web page component. Web page component means example. It can be button, text box, links, drop downs, any text, images, etc. Anything which is visible on web page, that we called it as web page component. Okay. Now, what do you mean by target web element? For example, this is an Amazon. Let's suppose this is an Amazon. This is an Amazon application. This is called as web page. This 3 lines all, it's web element. This is a logo web element. select your address is also web element. Images which is flowing like floating here, that is also called as web element. Everything which is visible on the screen, everything we called it as web element only. Got it? Now, I want to click on mobiles. I just want to do this click on mobiles. On which I want to do a click? Mobile. Mobile is my web element. My target is web element. Targeted web element. Click is my action. Click is my action. Correct? Understanding, everyone? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, we understand.
Yes.
See. First step, I'll open the browser and URL. We'll follow this one. Open browser and URL. Open browser and URL. Once browser is open and URL is open, our page is visible, everyone. I'm explaining from very scratch. I don't know, because maybe you guys have already experience on this, but the people who are very new, for them it will be very clear. So this is a web page. Your Amazon. Let's suppose Amazon.in. I use Amazon.in, you can use com. On this, all elements are visible. So now I have to first, in my script, in my program, I have to write a code. I have to write a code. Write a locator.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Afternoon, sister. He just called me again and he said, actually, he said 45 with W2.
One second, Tamanna. Tamanna.
Yes.
Message in the group, not in this class. Sorry, don't mind, but it is live stream, right? You cannot discuss.
Sorry, I'm okay. I thought I muted because I have to send message to afternoon, sister. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we will be writing the locator. Now, what do you mean by locator? Means target. We have to give the instruction to the system. We have to look, we have to give an instruction in the system, go and click on the mobiles. So we have to write locator manually. We have to write. So we'll write a locator, means we are preparing a target. We are just preparing a target. Okay. Now we will give the instruction, go and find the locator. Go and find the locator. Find locator. So when it is finding the locator, you might get two answers only. 1 second. Let me use some other one. Find locator. So you will get either answer true or false. The locator found or locator not found. Element found or not. Found or not found. No such element exception. If it is found, you have to finally do your action. This is the step, or this is the formula which you have to always remember, everyone. Do action. See, Nasir, first, always whenever we are testing any web application, we will be opening the browser, opening the URL. That means our application is visible or not. Once our application is visible, we need to write manually with our beautiful hands a locator. Then again, we have to write a code to find that locator. If it is found, we'll do action. If it is not found, we will, our program abnormally ended. Abnormal termination. If it is not found, in the middle only the program will be terminated. Clear, everyone, this process?
Yes.
The action can be anything. It can be click, it can be sending, writing, it can be selecting the values from the drop down, it can be shifting from one window to another window only after getting the proper targeted locator. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
So first step, we will try to open the browser and URL now. After that, we will go for locator. So let me open the first Eclipse for you. There is one Okay. Shall we start, everyone? Hello?
Yes, Sumran.
Okay, so I'm using this Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so I think this is the one which I have to take. Now I'm creating one test class. Right click class, Amazon test, and public static void main. First, open the browser. Correct? As per this formula, first we have to open the browser. To open browser, how to open or launch browser. Create object for specific browser driver. You have to create specific browser driver class. Now, create object for specific browser driver class. Now, if you want to create object for Chrome, if you want to launch Chrome browser, you have Chrome driver. If you want to launch Edge driver, Edge browser, you have Edge driver. If you want to launch Firefox, you have Gecko driver. So you can create the object and it will launch the browser for you. Or create object for specific driver class with reference to parent interface called WebDriver. Okay. First, how to launch the browser? Create object for Chrome driver. Everyone knows Chrome driver, driver equal to new Chrome driver. Edge driver, driver equal to new Edge driver. Gecko driver, driver equal to new Gecko driver. So you can create the object. I think everyone are aware about how to create the scanner class object. Right? Please acknowledge me.
Yes.
So we will create. Or else you can create object for Chrome driver, but with reference to WebDriver. So everyone are aware about this one. People are very much comfortable writing like this. WebDriver, driver equal to new Chrome driver. Correct? I think many people saw these things. Here we are creating object for Chrome browser only, but with reference to parent interface WebDriver. Now I will import org.openqa.selenium, or else you can write even like this also. Chrome driver equal to new driver. You can give difference object. Now both the statements are correct. It will launch the browser for you. This is direct with respect to the same class. This is with respect to the parent class. That's it. Now see, it will open the two browsers only, but different objects. Did you saw everyone? It has opened both the browsers. Both are Chrome only. Is there any change?
No.
Okay, let me close. So we will be opening the launch browser. Now next, how to open the URL. Nasir, understanding?
Yes.
To open URL, we have predefined method known as A, get, B, navigate dot to. Both methods are used for opening the browser, everyone. Any one you can choose. So how to call these methods? These methods are defined inside your driver class. So you just write object dot get method and pass here URL, everyone. This works. Object dot get, sorry, navigate dot to inside that URL in the double quotation. Both will open the URL. Okay? Hello.
Yes.
Both will open the URL. Okay. So we'll use one of that. This is our object driver. Driver dot get URL http://www.amazon.in. This is open URL. Okay. Let's try it. Run the program. Hope I'm not going fast for you. You are understanding from scratch. Very basic, I'm telling. Browser open, URL open, done. Now my target is mobile. This is what web element, web page component. Got it? So on that mobile, we have to write the locator. See, we open the browser. We wrote the code. It has opened the Amazon.in. In that, I need to look for my locator, write manually, find the locator, do the action. Clear?
Clear. But Miss Simran, when I do it, it's giving me the red highlights.
Huh?
When I do it, it's giving me the red highlights.
Ayyo Allah. Kya bol rahe aap? What you are saying?
What I was saying was, when whatever you're doing, I'm doing the same thing. It's giving me the red highlights. Underneath there's a red line.
Okay, maybe you have written spelling mistake or you have missed this part. So dear Nasir,
Oh yeah, okay. I got you.
Sure.
do not write
Tasin,
now.
are you there? Just 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Tasin, are you there? Tasin?
No, she's not here. No?
Afreen?
She's there.
Afreen, are you there?
You can message in the group.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Okay, fine. Nasir, now
Yeah, got
please listen this one. Do not write. If you write, you will get the errors. We will do later. Just listen carefully. Okay?
Okay.
Anyways, you will get this program. So do not write. Now, next step is what? right locator means our target. My target element is what, Nasir? Everyone? Mobile. So I have to write locator. How do I write? Just do right click. You will get inspect option.
I wrote them. Let's see. They're going to.
Which one?
Sorry. It's really, I'm going to go in mute. It's really my mistake.
With whom he is talking?
No, he's not talking to you.
Okay. So where I went from? This is the mobiles. Right click, inspect. Once page document is open, everyone. This is a tag language. This is all tag language, everyone. This is all the tag language. So in this, we have to look for our target. Our target is what? Mobile. You can see here, there is an arrow mark. This is also called as inspect. You click this one. It turns into blue color. Now you take your mouse cursor. What you want? Like you want Amazon mini TV or sell bestseller? No, my target is mobile. It turns blue color here and click. And in the bottom also one highlighted line will be coming. On the top also it is highlighting. Can you see? My mouse cursor I kept on one tag. On the top, on the page it is highlighting. This part it is highlighting and the bottom also highlighting. Did you saw? Hello?
Yes, I see.
So that is the correct element I found. Now, whenever you see this A tag, what is A? A is a anchor tag in HTML. It is used to design the links. If you don't know, it's okay, no problem. You can Google it if you are not aware. What is A tag in HTML? See, A tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link from one page to another. Means when you click, it will do something for you. So whenever you find A tag, everyone, directly go for a locator called link text. Okay. So I will write for you here the point so that you can remember. When we inspect any web element and found A tag, then choose locator as link text. Link text. Okay, whenever you find only A. So you have to choose your locator as link text. Chalo. Let's write our target. Our target. By is a predefined class in Selenium, and I'm writing mobile target equal to, I just wrote for your understanding mobile target, or you can say mobile locator. L locator. Now by inside that you have a method called link text. Did you saw link text? Only link text. Double quotes, semicolon. Inside this double quotes, your link should be given. This is A, and you can see here your A got closed here, and this is a close A tag. In between you find some text. Copy, paste, turn on, done. Your locator is ready. Locator ready. Let's find the element. You have to find the element, because next formula is saying what? After writing the locator, find locator. So how to find the locator? See, driver is your object, means driver means on the browser, find element. Which element? This mobile locator. If element is found, it will give you element reference address. That one we will store in the web element. Okay, we will write mobile link. We got our mobile link. Web element is also coming from org.openqa.selenium. Now we have to do what? Action. Mobile link dot click. See, I'll explain you one more time. Launch browser, open URL, writing the locator, finding locator. If locator found, reference will go here. If locator not found, your code will break in the 16th line itself. If code is not break, it will come to the 17th line and it will do click action. Okay. Control S, do the action.
Like the 17th line will automatically come in.
17th line we have to write. I wrote.
Okay, okay.
Now, shall we do? Shall I execute everyone? Hope
Yeah.
each and every line is clear for you.
So without create object, we can direct, we can click, right?
Which one, dear?
But we can say driver.find elements by link text dot click.
You want to combine two lines? You can combine all these three lines into one line.
One line,
But
yeah.
But I prefer 3 lines only. This is the way actually we work in a real time. Because in real time, you won't write everything in a single line. You have to maintain your locators in separate file, elements in separate, actions in separate. That is actually the framework structure. So it's better from the beginning, we learn this pattern. Writing the locator, finding the locator, doing the action. Okay. And it is more segregated, easily written instead of writing everything in single line.
Okay.
Shall I execute everyone?
Yeah.
Did you saw everyone? It
Yeah.
has clicked on mobiles. Is this clicked on mobiles?
Yes, it did.
Okay. So similarly, you practice how to click on the different links in different browsers. So you will get an hands-on experience. Okay.
Okay.
Hope by looking at the program, is there any line which is unknown to you?
Yeah, like
Any line which is unknown to you? Okay, this is having confusion. This is messy. For what purpose we have written it out?
For my, the by mobile dot linked by dot link text, you create a variable. This is actually unknown for me.
See, I wrote
Line,
generally what you write. First, you will write driver, find element, by dot link text and dot click. Correct? In this way, you will write. But I wrote what? First, my locator. I kept in my variable. Then I took this one and I told, please find that one. If found, give the reference. That reference I'm clicking here. But generally people, the beginners, they will practice like this and later they feel framework is very difficult. They do in this way. I mean, that too, they can copy the whole thing. They will write in this way, complete in a single line they will do. Both does the same thing, but the most efficient one is this one. Everyone, do not get attracted to easy one line code. which will give you happiness now. But later when you go with the frameworks, you again feel difficult. So please practice the above style only. I don't prefer personally this one. Now you understood, Tamana?
Yeah, I understood, but this is a little bit new for me.
It's okay. If you practice 1-2 times, it will be normal for you.
Mhm.
So now it is clear. What was the agenda? What is web element? Web element means web page component. Example, buttons, text box, drop down text, images, anything which is visible on the screen, that we called it as web element. How to find the target web element? First, you have to do the right click on, for example, I want bestseller. I'll just do right click, inspect, and because we're working on a link, so I'm looking for only what? A tag. Whenever you find A tag, you have to copy this middle text and you have to come back and write it down on your this one. You can give any name. No, it's just a variable name. You put whatever. Your locator is ready. Once locator is ready, you're asking to find that locator. If it is found, it will give you reference, and please click on this. Okay, that is an action. We are finding the element and doing the action. Now it will click on bestseller. See? Did you saw?
Yeah.
Okay. I will just change to the previous one. Otherwise, again, bestseller mobiles will get.
So I have a question. I could go on any website and do that. Find the A tag.
Yeah. You just go for any website, look for a tag and do the action.
Without using the Selenium or anything. Like, let's say if I go on the website right now, I could find the A tag.
Are you without using Selenium? Kya? This is a
Meaning,
Selenium
like,
code.
I know this is Selenium code, but what I'm trying to say is, like, let's say if I just want to randomly check. Like,
You can go for ebay.com. Right click, inspect. What is this one? A tag. It's a link. Copy. Put motors, but change the URL. Change this Amazon to eBay. Then only it will work. Okay.
Okay. Or any other website. It don't have to be the eBay or Amazon. It could be any other thing.
Any website, but that website should be posted here. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
So everyone, Tamana spoke. Happy understood?
Yes, I did Amazon.com from my side.
Okay.
Yes, correct.
Khaleda, you did?
Yes. I'm just following.
So,
I'm driving. So,
Samrin.
Okay.
Samrin.
Yeah.
I'm getting a session because it's not a browser. I think session not created exception. I think my browser is version is 1.13, and I don't know which one. Maybe those getting this
Session
issue.
not created will be coming only because of version issue or incompatibility issue.
Yeah,
Or
version issue, I think.
let's see.
So how I can fix this?
Share the screen. I can resolve it. Or just give me 2 minutes. Khaleda, I spoke. Okay. Shahid.
Well, I'm trying to understand, but not yet. It takes little time for me. I will get it, inshallah.
So
Also, I'm expecting Shahid tomorrow. You will show me this 4 lines of code. Okay. Take 1 hour, 2 hours time from today's class. Practice. That is important. Okay, Shahid?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Sumaya.
I'm doing it.
Very good. Zishan, don't say that you have not set up the laptop.
So we have to do this right now or tomorrow?
No need. You have to show me tomorrow. No one should do in a class because you have to practice. Okay. Fine.
Mm.
Clear, everyone?
Yeah, can I
Yes.
share?
Yeah, you can share. Okay, share the screen, please.
So this one.
Run the code which is having a problem.
Okay.
Amannapa,
Yes.
you are using Amazon.com. This is our side, and her Amazon.com in. This is the Indian side. So
Hmm?
mobile is not working. You have there is the URL.
Browser is not opening. Get because of I know the issue because my other project we are using 1.
No, it will open. That is not an issue. It is just a
Yeah, it
One
shouldn't be a
second,
problem, even though if it's in India.
Yeah, you are
1 second.
using
Approve the request.
Amazon.com is
So
our
maybe
side.
not as you are talking about different thing. This is session not created. My version is
1 second. Randu. 1 second. Oh, 103 version.
Yeah,
Net
because my
coding.
other project we are using 113, I think. Yeah, that's the reason I think.
It is the latest version only.
Yeah, how I can change this?
Upgrade your local browser.
Have you done any update on your computer, Tamanna?
Now we have our framework, our other project. We framework is 13.
It's latest version only, Tamanna.
Yeah.
But something internally it is fixed. 103. Wait, it will get updated.
So what happened? How I can fix this?
Let's see if it gets updated and it should run. And I'm thinking it's little weird also. It is. Oh.
Did you do any software update, Tamanna? That's what I'm talking about. And every time it comes on your system to update your softwares, you need to keep updating them.
No, that's not issue. I did already.
I may have that same issue then.
Oh. I don't know why you created the project in this.
Not in this? Let me do something right. Let me close this. Okay.
One second.
Let me close this project. Maybe it's bothering. Let me close this one also. Okay, now let's try. Same issue.
Oh, it's just opening and getting closed.
Now it's saying version is 11.4. Before it was 13. Response code 500.
Java version. Version of Chrome driver only supports 103. Some internally it got fixed actually, even after getting updated. Can you post this error to me? Copy and paste in the chat box. Okay. I'll look into this. So this is your internal version problem and it's somewhere it got fixed.
So maybe it's causing because of a Java version, you think?
No, not Java version.
Browser. Session, I think, synchronize issue.
Only one solution now. We have to take the Chrome drive. We have to download the Chrome driver and set the path.
Okay.
Yeah, that we can do. We will do this driver download and setting path tomorrow. System.set property we will do, right? With
Yeah.
that you can open the problem.
You want me to do now?
Yeah, you can do. I will just go. It's 12 for me.
So you are saying to download Chrome driver,
Yeah, latest Chrome driver and do system.set property.
which version you suggest?
Which is your latest version of Chrome driver is what in your system? 113 something it is there. Check, cross verify, go to the Chrome, go to help about Chrome, you will get the version. That version you download.
Okay. So this one, I think. 13. But console is saying 14, 114.
Console is saying
The current browser version is 114.
Huh?
So do you
What
want
your system is saying? Did you check here? If you don't check here, you cannot decide.
here is 113. We checked, right? Oh, 4. Okay.
114 updated.
So
Okay, download the same thing, set the path. Okay, good night everyone. I'll drop off for a